Morning, students. Yesterday, we start the integral calculus, that is indefinite integration. I given a formulas for what is the definition of integration. I already discussed. The antiderivative of a function is called integration. So, I given formulas for derivative formula and integration formula. Yesterday, we discussed 5 problems, that is by using method of inspection. So then we are going to discuss from 6th problem onwards. Here, formulas are very important. What is the formula for example, d by dx of sin x is derivative of sin x is cos x. What is the integration of cos x is sin x. Like that, you must read the formulas, derivatives formulas and integration formulas. Antiderivative of a function is called integration. For example, tan x derivative. Tan x derivative. What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x. Secant square x integration tan x. Like that. So you can read the formulas like that. It is very easy to. Yes. 6th problem. Integral 4 into e power 3x plus 1 into dx. So here write the formula, integral e power nx dx is equal to e power nx by n plus c. Another formula, you can add the formula, new formula, integral e power nx dx is equal to e power nx by n plus c, e power nx by n plus c, and also integral x power n dx. I think yesterday I already given x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. We can add these two formulas. Yesterday already given formulas list. You can add these two formulas also. So here, by using the property integral 4 into e power 3x plus 1 into dx, this is f of x plus g of x, that is integral 4 into e power 3x dx plus integral 1 dx, integral f of x plus integral g of x, that is equal to, here 4 is the constant, you write outside. So this is e power nx. Integration of e power nx is e power nx by n, that is e power 3x by 3. Formulas are very important, must and should. You can practice the formulas. So integral calculus without formulas, it is very difficult chapter, either differentiation or calculus in integration. You don't know the formulas, problems are very difficult. Plus integration of 1. Integration of 1, that is x plus c. You should not remember the formula, you go wrong answer. So what is the integration of 1? What is the derivative of x? 1. Integration of 1, x. Antiderivative of a function. Seventh problem. Integral x square into 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. In calculus, in every chapter, you can use the concept of algebra and trigonometry. Simplifications are very important. After simplify the given function, then go for integration. In differentiation also, after simplify the given function, then you go for differentiation. Like that here also. So first you simplify this. Solution integral x square into 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. That is integral multiplying x square in the bracket, x square into 1 x square minus x square into 1 by x square into dx. Here x square cancel. That is equal to, by using property you can split this, integral x square into dx minus integral 1 dx. So here you can use the formula integral x power n. Integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal to x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 integration x plus c. So that is equal to, you get x cube by 3 minus x plus c. Don't forget you writing the c. C is very, very important. If you not write the c plus c in the answer, you lose 1 mark. For example, the question is given for 2 marks. You should not write the c here in answer. You can lose 1 mark. That is very, very important in indefinite integration. Yes, 8th problem. Integral ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Integral ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Yes, solution. Integral ax square plus bx plus c into dx is equal to integral ax square dx plus integral bx dx plus integral c dx. So by using the properties, integral f of x plus g of x into dx is equal to integral f of x dx plus integral g of x into dx. You can split the given function. So here a is the constant, a into, here using x power n formula, integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus b into, here b constant into x, x means x power 1, integral x power 1 by using formula x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, x power 1, here also using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is the constant, right outside. C means c into 1 is there, c into 1 is there, c is the constant right outside. So integral of 1 is x plus, you write the constant d here, arbitrary constant. Why? Already c is there, that's why you write d, you write k, you write l, like that, any constant, arbitrary constant. That is a into x power 3 by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx plus d. That's the answer. Yes, 9th problem. Integral 2x square plus e power x into dx. Integral 2x square plus e power x into dx. Yes, write the solution. Integral 2x square plus e power x into dx is equal to integral 2 into x square dx plus integral e power x dx. That is equal to 2 into 2 constant into what is the integration of x square? By using x power n formula, x power 3 by 3, 2 plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3. Don't confuse on derivative formulas and integration formulas. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus e power x derivative, again e power x plus arbitrary constant c. That is equal to 2x cube by 3 plus e power x plus c. 2x cube by 3 plus e power x plus c. Yes, 10th problem. Integral root x minus 1 by root x whole square into dx. Integral root x minus 1 by root x whole square into dx. Here, first by using algebra, simplify this given function, that is root x minus 1 by root x. This is a minus b. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is solution. Integral root x minus 1 by root x whole square is equal to integral root x whole square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 by root x whole square into dx. This is equal to integral x, root x whole square is x, root x cancel, that is minus 2 plus 1 by root x whole square, that is 1 by x into dx. So here split the integral x dx minus integral 2 dx plus integral 1 by x dx. Integral x dx minus integral 2 dx plus integral 1 by x dx. So this is x power 1 plus 1, x square by 2. Here x power 1, by using x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, minus 2 constant, 2 means 2 into 1, 2 means 2 into 1. So 2 constant, integration of 1 is x, 2x plus what is 1 by x integration? Log mod x plus c. So log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x integration is log mod x. You can understood the formulas. The topic is very easy. Maximum number of questions covered from this topic. That's why you be careful. Yes, 11th problem. Integral x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square into dx. Integral x cube minus 5x square minus 4 by x square into dx. Here first to simplify. Solution: integral x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square into dx. That is integral, you can split this, x cube by x square dx plus integral 5x square by x square dx minus integral 4 by x square dx. So this is x square cancel, then you get integral x dx plus integral 5 dx, x square cancel, minus integral 4 into, this is x power minus 2 into dx. 1 by x square means x power minus 2. So this is x power 1, x power n formula, that is you get x square by 2. X power n formula, n into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus 5 into 1 is there, 1 integration x, that is the 5x minus 4 into x power minus 2. By using x power n formula, x power minus 2, x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to x square by 2 plus 5x here minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus x power minus 1. X power minus 1 means 1 by x, that is 4 by x plus c. That's the answer. Denominator minus 1, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, x power minus 2 plus 1, x power minus 1. X power minus 1 means 1 by x, that is 4 by x plus c. Next, 12th problem. Integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x into dx. Integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x into dx. So here also simplify the first given function, that is integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x into dx. You can split this integral, that implies integral x cube by root x into dx plus integral 3x by root x into dx plus integral 4 by root x into dx. So that implies integral, this is x power 3 minus 1 by 2 dx. Why? In the numerator x cube, denominator x power 1 by 2. X power m by x power n, x power m minus n plus integral 3 into x power 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. Here x power 1 by x power 1 by 2. That is x by root x means cancel, here you get root x plus integral 4 into, this is x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. 1 by root x, 1 by x power 1 by 2, that is x power minus 1 by 2. This is integral x power 3 minus 1 by 2, x power 5 by 2 into dx plus 3 constant integral x power 1 by 2 into dx plus 4 constant into integral x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Here, using the formula x power n, integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Using the formula x power n, that implies x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. This is x power n form. X power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, arbitrary constant. So in the numerator x power 7 by 2, this is 7 by 2. Denominator we have 7 by 2. That is, you get 2 by 7 into x power 7 by 2. Denominator 7 by 2. That is, you make it is 2 by 7 into x power 7 by 2 plus here 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1, denominator 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. That is 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus 4 into here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is, you get 2 here. 2 into x power plus 1 by 2 plus c. That is equal to 2 by 7 into x power 7 by 2. Here 3 cancel. 2 into x power 3 by 2. Here plus 8 into x power 1 by 2 plus c. That's the answer. First, simplify the given function. Then go for integration and apply the formula. Then again simplified. So always you write the simplified answer. This is also correct, but simplified answer is given full marks. Yes, 13th problem. Integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Yes, here first to simplify the given function, integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx, that is integral. So factors here in the numerator, first two terms you take x square is common. In the first two terms you take x square is common. So x minus 1 you get in the bracket plus this is x minus 1, that is 1 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. So in the numerator again you take x minus 1 is common. X minus 1 is common. that is x square plus 1 in the bracket by x minus 1 into dx. So in the numerator and the denominator, x minus 1 cancel. That is equal to integral x square plus 1 into dx. That is integral x square dx plus integral 1 dx. Integral x square plus 1 into dx. That is integral x square dx plus integral 1 dx. Integral x square by using x power n formula, that is x cube by 3 plus integral 1, that is x plus c. X cube by 3 plus x plus c. Swami, next problem, 14th problem. Integral 1 minus x into root x into dx. Integral 1 minus x into root x into dx. So simplify this. Solution: integral 1 minus x into root x dx is equal to integral 1 into root x, that is root x, minus x into root x into dx, that is integral x power 1 by 2 dx, minus root x means x power 1 by 2, minus this is x power 1 into x power 1 by 2, that is x power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is x power 3 by 2. This is integral x power 3 by 2 into dx. X into root x, x power 1 into x power 1 by 2, that is x power 1 plus 1 by 2, x power 3 by 2. So here using x power n formula, that is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to, in the denominator 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Denominator 3 by 2. That is you get 2 by 3 into, minus here 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. That's the 14th problem. Yes, 15th problem. Integral root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Integral root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Here also simplified. First simplified, then go for formulas. A solution: integral root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. That is integral 3 into root x into x square dx. Directly you can split answer. Plus integral 2 into x into root x dx plus integral 3 into root x into dx. So here x power 2 into x power 1 by 2, x power 2 plus 1 by 2, that is x power 5 by 2. Integral 3 into x power 5 by 2 into dx. Observe this, x square into x power 1 by 2, x power m into x power n, x power m plus n, that is x power 5 by 2 into dx, plus 2 constant integral x power 1 into x power 1 by 2, x power 3 by 2 this, that is x power 3 by 2 into dx, plus 3 into integral x power 1 by 2 dx. Here every term using the formula x power n, that is 3 into x power n formula integral x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Yes, 5 by 2 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. In the denominator 7 by 2. So you make it 3 into 2 by 7. 3 into 2 by 7 into x power 7 by 2 plus 2 into here 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Plus c. So this is 6 by 7 into x power 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus 3 cancel here, 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Sixteenth problem. Integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x into dx. Integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x into dx. Yes, solution. Integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x into dx. You can split this. Integral 2 into x dx, 2 constant into x dx, minus 3 into integral cos x dx plus integral e power x into dx. That is integral 2 into integration of x square by 2, integration of x power 1, that is x square by 2, minus 3 into cos x integration sin x. What is the formula? Cos x integration sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos x integration sin x. Plus e power x integration, again e power x plus c. Here 2 cancel. that is x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. That is the answer. X square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. Yes, 17th problem. Integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x into dx. Integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x into dx. Yes, solution. Integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x into dx. Here also split the integral. That implies integral 2 into x square dx minus 3 into integral sin x dx plus 5 into integral root x into dx. Split the given function. So 2 into here using x power n formula, x power 2 plus 1 x cube by 3 minus 3 into sin x integration minus cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x integration minus cos x plus 5 into, here this is x power 1 by 2, root x means x power 1 by 2, x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n integration, that is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to 2 by 3 into x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. That is equal to 2 by 3 into x cube plus 3 cos x plus 10 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Yes, 18th problem. Integral secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx. First to simplify. Yes, solution. Integral secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx. That implies integral, first multiply the secant x in the bracket, secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x into dx. That implies integral secant square x dx plus integral secant x into tan x dx. So here, what is the tan x derivative secant square x? What is the integration of secant square x? Tan x. Tan x derivative d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Integration of secant square x is equal to tan x plus c. That is the tan x plus, so secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Secant x derivative secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x is secant x. That is secant x plus c. That's enough. So formulas are very, very important. Don't confuse on differentiation formulas and integration formulas. Daily you can practice 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. You can remember the all trigonometric formulas also here. You make the chapter is very easy. You learn the trigonometric formulas also. Differentiation formulas and integration formulas. Then the topic is very easy. Yes, next 19th problem. Integral secant square x by cosecant square x into dx. Integral secant square x by cosecant square x into dx. Here by using trigonometry, simplify the given function first. Solution. Integral secant square x by cosecant square x into dx is equal to integral. What is secant square x in terms of cos? 1 by cos square x by cosecant square x 1 by sin square x into dx. This is equal to integral 1 by cos square x into sin square x by 1 into dx. 1 by cos square x into sin square x by 1. This is integral tan square x into dx. But there is no formula for integral tan square x. We have a formula for integration of secant square x. Integration of secant square x is tan x. That's why you can convert tan square x in terms of secant square x. Tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. This is the secant square x minus 1 into dx. From trigonometry, here up to this step, not using the integration formula, only simplification. By using trigonometry, only simplification. So here you get integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. What is secant square x integration? Tan x. That is tan x minus 1 integration x plus c. Tan x minus x plus c. Yes, 20th problem. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x into dx. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x into dx. First to simplify the given trigonometric function. Solution. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x into dx. That implies integral 2 by cos square x dx minus integral 3 sin x by cos square x into dx. We are splitting the two integrals. The given function can be split into two integrals. So here 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. That implies 2 secant square x. Integral 2 secant square x dx. Here integral 3 into just sin x by cos square x. So sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. In the denominator, cos square x can be split into cos x into cos x. So sin x by cos x is the tan x. 1 by cos x is secant x. That is secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x into dx. That is 2 into integration of secant square x. That is tan x. Integration of secant square x, that is tan x, minus 3 into integration of secant x into tan x, secant x plus c. Secant x derivative, secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x integration, secant x. Tan x derivative, secant square x. So secant square x integration, tan x. Many times I am telling, you know algebra and trigonometry very well. Geometry is very easy. You know algebra and trigonometry and geometry very well. You know the formulas also. You know the simplifications, that is multiplications, divisions, additions and subtractions. Then calculus is very easy. So another point is you must practice the formulas. Formulas. Daily you can write the formulas. One time differentiation formulas, one time integration formulas. Daily you can write. First learn, first practice, then write on paper without seeing. That is very, very important. Without formulas, the topic is very, very difficult. Yes, 21. The antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x, that is integration of. Antiderivative means integration. Yes, solution, integration of root x plus 1 by root x into dx. The antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x with respect to x. Antiderivative means integration. Integration of root x plus 1 by root x. That is integration of x power 1 by 2 dx. Root x means x power 1 by 2. Plus integration of 1 by root x, x power minus 1 by 2 dx. 1 by root x means 1 by x power 1 by 2. That is x power minus 1 by 2 dx. So x power 1 by 2 here using the integration of x power n formula. That is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Plus here also x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Plus here minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is plus 1 by 2, that is 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus c. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus c. Yes, 22. If d by dx of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power of 4, such that f of 2 is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to dash. If d by dx of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power of 4, such that f of 2 is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to dash. Solution: here given d by dx of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power of 4. 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power of 4. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides with respect to x. Integrating on both sides, that is integration of d by dx of f of x is equal to integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power of 4 into dx. Integrating on both sides. So antiderivative of a function is called integration. Here differentiation and integration cancel, then you get f of x. Differentiation and integration cancel, you get f of x is equal to integration 4 into x cube dx minus 3 into integration of x to the power of minus 4 dx. That is f of x is equal to 4 into x cube integration by using x power n formula, x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 into x to the power of minus 4 integration by using the formula x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. Here 4 cancel, that is f of x is equal to x to the power of 4, here plus 3, here 3, here minus 3. Minus 3 into x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Minus 3 cancel, that is minus into minus plus. That is f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus, that is 1 by x cube plus c. So we required f of x means you can eliminate c here. So we want to find out the value of c by using this. F of 2 is equal to 0 they given. You find out f of 2. That is f of 2. 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c is equal to 0. F of 2 is given 0. That implies 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c is equal to 0. That implies 16 eighths. 16 into 8. 128. Yes, 128 plus 1 by 8 plus c is equal to 0. That implies c is equal to minus 129 by 8. C is equal to minus 129 by 8. So substitute the c value again. Therefore, f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x cube, c value minus 129 by 8. That is the required f of x function. Required f of x function. That's completing the 7.1 exercise. Then we are going to discuss the method of integrations. Methods of integration. In this methods of integration, we have integration by substitution, integration using partial fractions, integration by parts, integration by substitution. That means, okay, make a heading. Make a heading. Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Yes. Just to verify the formulas. In that formulas, I'm not giving the formula of integration of tan x. Just to verify. Verify the formulas. Integration of tan x is not given. Integration of cot x is not given. Integration of secant x is not given. Integration of cosecant x is also not given in the formulas list. Here I can substitute. I can use the substitution methods. So find out the formulas of these. For example, integration of tan x we required. Integration of tan x can be written as sin x by cos x into dx. You remember the derivative formulas. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Let cos x is equal to t. I can change the variable in terms of x2 in terms of t. Let consider here, observe sin x is the derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of cos x. That's why you consider cos x is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, cos x derivative minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Differentiating with respect to x, so cos x derivative minus sin x is equal to t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Cross multiplication, minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Observe this. So sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. Here you can substitute sin x into dx is minus dt. Cos x is equal to what? T. That is equal to integral 1 by t into sin x into dx is equal to what? Minus dt. So all x variables can be changed into t variables. So you bring out the minus 1 into outside, that is minus integral 1 by t into dt. Integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x log mod x. integrate with respect to x. Integration of 1 by x with respect to x is log mod x. Integration of 1 by t with respect to t, log mod t. With respect to x, the formulas are in terms of x. With respect to t, the formulas are in terms of t. With respect to z, the formulas are in terms of z. You can use with what variable you can do the formula with respect. The formulas are in that variable. You can convert in that variable. For example, with respect to x, integration of log x is log mod x. With respect to t, integration of 1 by t is log mod t. That is minus log mod t plus arbitrary constant c. Then you can convert again t in terms of x. First, the problem is given in terms of x. That's why answer should be converted in terms of x. So what is the t here? Cos x minus log mod cos x. By using logarithmic definitions, logarithm of mod cos x whole power minus 1 plus c. That is equal to log of 1 by cos x. This is cos x whole power minus 1 is 1 by cos x plus c. That is log mod secant x. Log mod secant x plus c. That is the formula. Integration of tan x by using substitution method is the formula is log mod secant x. Again, I can explaining. Here, there is a small confusion. It is not a confusion. This is the process. First, in substitution method, you consider let one function is in terms of another variable. You can convert the total problem in terms of that variable. Then do the problem. Then answer should be converted into given variable. So tan x is writing sin x by cos x. So you can remember what is the cos x derivative? Sin x minus sin x. That's why consider cos x is equal to t. For example, you take sin x is equal to t. Sin x is equal to t. Derivative of cos x into cos x is equal to dt by dx. Then you get cos x into dx is equal to dt. But here dx by cos x is there. We required sin x into dx. That's why we consider cos x is equal to t. You understood? So cos x is equal to t. Cos x derivative with respect to x minus sin x is equal to t derivative with respect to x. T derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Cross multiplication minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. Substitute here. Sin x into dx is minus dt. Cos x is equal to t. That is 1 by t. So minus is outside. Integral 1 by t dt. So integration of 1 by t with respect to t. Log mod t. 1 by x with respect to here dx. 1 by x dx is there. Formula log mod x. Here 1 by t dt is there. That's why formula is log mod t. Log mod t plus c. So what is t here? Substitute cos x. So simplify this. You get log mod secant x. Therefore, the another formula is integration of tan x into dx is equal to log mod secant x plus c. This is extra formula. Add this formula in this list, in your formulas list. First, copy this. Then this formula can be added in your formulas list. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss integration of cot x, integration of secant x, integration of cosecant x. Then we are going to next exercise. Thank you. Okay.